Hey guys, if y'all got a laptop computer or even some of the modern home computers, and you get the sneaky suspicion that somebody is activating your camera or your microphone, and about 99% of these nowadays have that. Windows 10 calls for it so that this stupid shit Cortina can track every time you fart. And you're fed up with it. You don't want to find out that you go to the grocery store and somebody already hands you the bag of groceries you were talking about buying, or you're going to sell a car and you get ads for selling a car, or you get somebody knocking on your door going, "Hey, I'd like that car." Well, these computers now are just one very large spy network. However, you can really piss off the spies with nothing but these three simple tools. One, the same type of knife you would shove into their chest cavity and cut their guts out with. That's how you open it up with. The same kind of a pair of tweezers that you would use to reach into their pants and pull their smallness out with to show it to them. And a, of course, cheap Chinese screwdriver. So, if I sound a little bit belligerent, it's because when something sets off your radar that something's going on with these things, you get a bit pissed. Now, I'm going to show you here by just taking this knife. All of these screens are snapped together. There are no screws for them, so they come apart pretty easily. You'll find you an easy spot in here. So where I'm at, I'm just going to kind of pull back a little bit, and I'm going to open up this plastic in here. Now you'll see that if you just kind of gently do it, don't go too far in, you'll be able to get your screen bezel, that's what this is, kind of loosened up, okay? And you're just going to run your, like me, I'm running my fingernail underneath it. I have just enough fingernail to scratch my butt with, and you get it wide open like that. Now, looking up inside here, I will let me set a light up in here for you guys so y'all can see a better scenario here. Okay, so we're going to look down in here, and I'm going to give you this through this magnifier. You'll see there is the entire camera structure and microphone. Okay, so looking off in here like so, there's your camera, your processor for your camera, and there is a plug. Right there is a plug. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect this and I'm going to pull it out. So it's not very difficult to do, and I wish I had a little better lighting here. So we're going to grab the plug. Now you notice the computer's on. There's the wire going to it. And I'll follow it back over to the plug and just unplug it from the computer itself. So there's your plug right there. This is the little snitch wire that's in your computers. So now Google, YouTube, will apparently turn on your camera and sit there and stare at you. They can do it because every computer, Microsoft or not, has Android software, has JavaScript, has all kinds of stuff in it. And they'll be able to control every bit of this stuff, your Bluetooth, all that. Now watch this. I'm just going to give it a little pry. You'll see it's just a sticky backer they use on these to pin them in. And just be careful doing it. Now it won't affect your screen because your wiring to your screen and everything else is down below. You just don't want to slip and jam your screen because that would be nasty. And some of them have little tabs they might be isolated with also. You won't be aware of that. And it's just a little board. Some computers might have a board that is integrated, but it's unlikely because these are add-ons. So you can see I'm just working it loose. There's off the tape right there. And there comes Google's money-making little freak right there. There's a microphone. What did he say? There's the camera. Was he smiling when he said, "I want to buy some crap from Google," or ad referrals or whatever? That now makes your computer, and it really pisses Google off. All right, once it's out of there, you're just going to tuck the wires back in. You'll see there's a little strip for them to go in. And this whole thing, now we can take away that part. And yes, I voted not to have Google track me. And they just snap back together. Right back into place. And you're done. All right, guys, this is the whole deal. So this little camera piece right here, thing to do when you take them out, turn them into the garbage they are. If you want a camera, you buy one, you mount up here and plug it in or use Wi-Fi, and then you can take it off and unplug it when you want to. This they can turn on remotely without your permission. Watch you and your fat girlfriend, watch you and your fat husband, watch you and your fat cousin, if you're from Missouri. They can watch you without you asking, without them asking you. That'll be good.